Hey everybody, welcome to the Holcomb Valley Campground Review.
There we go, we're entering Holcomb Campground. Holcomb Campground. Stay limit 14 days. No fires, no fireworks. Your part. Just like most, has to be occupied first night. Rates, single spot $24 per night, $8 for extra. Checkout time is noon. Welcome. If you camp, you gotta register. Little chippies have a plague. Alright, if it's holidays, it goes up $2. So $26 for holidays, $24 for right now. That's it. Deposit. So no envelopes. Bring your own envelopes. Checkout time is noon. Alright, let's see if there's anything available. Oh. Host camp. Couple available. What's up, my brothers? Pretty good. Out having fun. Got an Overlander here. Tons of spots. Out having fun. This is a first come, first served campsite, guys. There's a trailhead. Go for a walk. It's pretty cool, right? It's pretty peaceful here. The outer loops are better. Tons of spots available. At $24, they should probably lower the spot. A pretty nice campsite. Restrooms, poly pit toilets. I'll check the, it shows I have cell service.
Hope you enjoyed this review. See you on the next one, folks.